The Herture Aquarium Stand PG01YGB offers a generously sized tabletop that fits most 20 to 29-gallon aquariums, including longer tanks, without feeling cramped at the edges. Its two-tier layout lets you place a main display tank on top and a smaller aquarium below, making excellent use of vertical space in an apartment or tight room. The metal frame and thick engineered wood panels feel reassuringly solid, with a load rating that comfortably handles a fully stocked tank and reduces wobble or flex. A built-in cabinet between the upper and lower levels is genuinely useful for hiding food, conditioners, and maintenance tools, so the area around the tank stays uncluttered. The matte black finish and clean lines blend well with modern furniture, so the stand looks like a piece of decor rather than a purely utilitarian rack. Herture backs the stand with extended support, which adds peace of mind if you are relying on it to hold a heavy glass aquarium long-term.